Good morning all of you. This is Abdul Akram studying in MBR College of Engineering and Technology. Today I am here to discuss on a new topic of the subject Analog Communications, Amplitude Modulation, chapter number 1. Next. I would like to introduce the chapter called Amplitude Modulation. Let us know the basic definition of the amplitude modulation. The process in which the amplitude of the carrier signal changes with the instantaneous value of the modulating signal. The process in which the amplitude of the carrier signal changes with the instantaneous value of the modulating signal. Whenever the carrier signal's amplitude changes, the modulating signal too changes with respect to the modulation of the modulating signal, instantaneous value of the modulating signal. I would like to give the expression for the amplitude modulation. That is, A of t is equal to Vc 1 plus m sin omega t. Here you will give the theta value for the omega place. And Vc is the peak amplitude of the wire, and modulation index m is the modulation index, and W is the index, T is the time domain. W is the theta value. I will discuss this today, the basics of communication system, modulation, need for the modulation, frequency division multiplexing. Next. Here communication deals with the principles of transforming information from one place to another place. Here communication means only transforming information from one person to another person. If for example, if I am transmitting here my message to you is a communication. It involves transmission, reception and processing information between two locations. From here in India I will talk, I will receive, another person will receive my information in another state, another countries, whether USA, UK, whatever it may be. Introduction to the communication systems. Here it is the information source I have. I have the information source. I have to send this information to the destination. I have to use some components that are transmitter, channel, receiver. I have transmitter in my bucket. This is the transmitter. It transmits the voice which I am going to give you, and there is a channel between us that will remove the noise. And receiver takes the information which I have taken. Channel removes the noise, and receiver will receive the information source, and destination is the place which we have to give, which we have to update. Next, modulation. It is the process of modifying a message signal to ensure its proper transmission over a communication system. Process of modifying a signal to ensure its proper transmission over a communication system, to ensuring the message signal which you have given and modifying the signal and giving the correct and accurate without any fluctuations is called as modulation. Over a communication system is called modulation. I repeat, it is the process of modifying a message signal over a communication system to ensure its proper transmission. It uses mainly two signals called carrier signal and message signal. The message which dictates is modulating signal. The message which receives is called carrier signal. Next. Here there is a need for modulation. Why we are using this modulation technique? The technique uses to reduce the size of the antenna. If I have used the 15 Hz of voice in my transmitter, there will be no voice will be received in some other high altitudes or some other different far away places. For that I need more height of antennas to To reduce this problem, we use antennas and modifying message signals to ensure its proper transmission. Here the communication system is applied. It is to reduce the size of the antenna, to minimize the noise. We have more noise in our surroundings. To minimize the noise, we are modifying the message signal, and we increase the frequency of the transmitted signal. That is the modulation. Reduce interference of signals. If we in some calls, some signals will interfere each other. Different persons, if 4 persons are talking in a conference call, some signals will interfere with different calls. If a single person is calling to one another, the messages and the signals will interfere with the different persons' voices. To reduce, we will increase the frequency of the message signal. Here, frequency division multiplexing. It is a technique in which signals with different frequencies are transmitted on a single communication signal. Different frequencies need different communication channels. To reduce this problem, we will combine the frequency signals with different frequencies are transmitted on a single communication channel. We are taking only a single communication channel. With different frequencies, we need different communication channels. To reduce this problem, we use frequency division multiplexing technique. It is a process in which the signals with different frequencies are kept into the single path, that is frequency division multiplexing. Here we use low pass filter as the input at the transmitter side. Here we are giving the transmitter. At the transmitter you have the figure like this. Input we give low pass filter, at the output we receive band pass filter. As you know, the definition of the low pass filter is it allows low frequencies and attenuates high frequencies. Whereas this band pass filter, it allows the only required frequency channels to receive the accurate, without any fluctuations, accurate signals you will receive. Here we use modulator to modify the signal with a frequency channel. We use frequency channel to increase the frequency of the channel. In the transmitter side, we use low pass filter at the input. Here at the receiver, we use band pass filter at the input. Band pass filter, as a definition you know, it receives only the required frequencies and removes all other frequencies. We use band pass filter at the input side. We use channel in between them and frequency channel, modulators here to modify the message signal which are coming from band pass filter. Low pass filter, which allows only low frequencies and attenuates high frequencies. With a frequency channel, we will get the output here. There was many other topics in this chapter. They were yet to be known. Next. Up. Thank you. This is our PDF, our PPT. Thanks to the HOD, Shambabu sir and Silakshmi madam for giving this opportunity. Welcome.